I'm coming at you with more weird beauty products. We have various different products. Let's just jump right into it. There's some really good ones. We have this brand called Violent Lips. It's temporary lip tattoos. They have so many options on their website. I believe each one retails for, yep, $10, but you do get 3 different uses out of each one. So that's really awesome. Yeah, we picked some interesting ones. We have 3 different ones. I'm not gonna do all 3 just because I wanna see how long it will last. You know what? Let's go for the cherries. So you open this up, you have 1, 2, and 3. So obviously it's way bigger, so you do need to cut this to your size. And you have the instructions right in here. While keeping the mouth in the relaxed ah position, generously soak the paper backing in water using a cotton ball till the paper backing slides off easily. Oh, wow, okay. Wow, this is so uncomfortable. You can actually see the cherries though. It looks super funny. It looks very uneven. Whoops. Let's do the bottom lip. There we go. It's a little bit messy. It looks really gross, but it's definitely fun and super weird. I mean, you can definitely see the cherries. I think it's super cute. I just wish the red or the pink was a little more intense, because this is what you get versus this is the expectation. I'm gonna give this a solid C+ because it's definitely very visual. It's fun, it's a little tedious, it's a little annoying, you know, measuring the cutting and then making sure you get it nice and wet, and it's really not precise. But I think it's funny. It's weird and funny, and I think you could definitely get this like a prank gift for, you see that? Like a prank gift for like one of your girlfriends. Get like a really funny pattern, or get it for your, like I'm gonna make Andre do the American flag 4th of July. Why not, right? All right, it's been a couple of hours since I applied the lips and they're so uncomfortable, especially like the inner part. It's kind of doing like a liquid matte lipstick does. It just gets so uncomfortable right in the inner corners, right in the inner part of the lips on both top and bottom. Emery just smacking his little feet around here. But I'm gonna take it off because it's really uncomfortable and they look really bad. And anytime I lick my lips, you get some of that product on your lips, on your tongue, I mean, you eat it. In front of me, I have this Dr. Brandt magnetic face mask. What it says it does, it dramatically transforms the look of your skin by harnessing the power of attraction. This retails for a whopping $75 at Sephora. You open it up and it gives you instructions right away. How cool is that? Using the spatula, spread a thin layer. Let's do it. So you open it up and it's black, or charcoal. Let's go with charcoal. It has a nice pleasant, like a cleansing, like a face cleansing scent. I'm just gonna take whatever is on the lid and then see if I need to dig more inside. Ooh, it's very, very thick. Ooh, very cooling. I'm not sure how much product you need to spread onto your face, but they're saying a nice even layer. Next step, they say, leave on for 5 to 10 minutes. So obviously we're gonna leave on for 10. Okay, next step, they're saying to take a tissue and wrap your magnet in the tissue. Glide over face near the surface of the skin until the mask has been removed completely. Oh, that's a weird sensation, yo. Oh my gosh. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, wow. It's literally coming off.
Oh, that's so cool. Draw a mark, do like a marker.
Oh my gosh. And I'm barely touching my face. That is creepy. It's literally stuck to the tissue. How crazy is that? Like, that is so satisfying.
That's pretty clean.
It's like I'm doing reverse, you know? That's insane. Let's do it around the nose. Okay, that's amazing. Isn't that so cool? And then you see the mask like sticking up like a magnet. That's legit. How cool is that? The last step they say is whatever is left on your face, you don't rinse it off with water. All you do is just really massage it into your skin. It's definitely a really fun mask. The face feels really nice. The after feeling is definitely a little bit oily. Like you can see my fingers, how shiny they are. So I'm not sure how this is going to wear like underneath makeup. We'll see. I feel like I would enjoy this more at nighttime. But I am going to apply makeup and see how this is going to wear, if it's going to do anything weird. But I would say it's a little bit time consuming to do the application, but it's definitely very satisfying taking it off. And yes, you do need to have some Kleenex around you. First impression, I would give it a solid A. So right here in front of me, I have this electric threading hair removal device. It's around $24 on Amazon. I've never had my eyebrows, face, anything threaded. So this is a new experience and I'm kind of nervous that it's going to be my first experience with a do-it-yourself hair tool at home. Definitely probably leave this to the professionals if I enjoy it, but probably not. But I am going to thread a little bit of my chin. I'm not gonna do the entire face. I am definitely not gonna do the eyebrows, but I wanna see the sensation, if it's really pulling, if it's uncomfortable, just things like that. It doesn't really give you any instructions of how you should do it. In the manual, it just says that your face should be clean. It's best to thread right after a shower or a bath since your face is nice and clean. And I already charged it, so we'll see. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm. Go for it.
That's so weird. Oh! Okay, I don't like it. Oh, it's literally pulling. Okay, so that's an interesting new sensation. Okay, let's put this turn on again. Oh, it's actually not too bad. You can see a little bit right here, the red spot, but otherwise it's not that painful.
Well, the question is, does it actually take the beach fuzz off?
No. Ooh, that is a little bit uncomfortable. Some of these larger hairs. I don't like this. I feel like you don't have the control with this tool right here. I feel like just leave this to the professionals, you know what I mean? I think I'm gonna give this a solid, I'm gonna give it a D, just because it's not enjoyable. Yeah, it didn't do that good of a job. I feel like it didn't do anything, honestly, just kind of just pulled. This right here in front of me is a massive mineral powder foundation. This is from Amazon. This is the Magic Minerals Professional Foundation by Jerome Alexander with color correctors and antioxidant skincare formula. We got shade light, and this retails for $36. You get 1.12 ounces or 32 grams, which is 1 fluid ounce is usually like a typical foundation. You have a massive size mirror, and you get a brush, which is awesome. It has built-in color correctors that conceal blemishes, spots, fine lines, and other skin imperfections, giving you a natural matte everyday coverage for up to 12 hours. Apply liberally over your entire face with the included stubby brush. After applying, buff vigorously to set the makeup for a flawless look. Let's do this side or right here. It has a, like, it doesn't have a scent, but it has a smell to this. It doesn't smell good. It kind of smells like fish. I feel like it's kind of toning everything. Okay, yeah, definitely kind of evened everything out. That's just the one layer. Let's see how much we can build. I wanna see if I can get rid of a lot of this redness right here. This is definitely more of a natural type of coverage. Very light, like sheer to light. It's a little bit buildable, but I feel like if you build up a lot of it, it starts looking really dry. I feel like with this product, you really need to prep your skin. Okay, I'm gonna quickly finish my makeup and let's come back to the lips. All right, so all the makeup applied pretty well, I would say. I kind of had to go around and buff it out just a tad, but it doesn't look bad. I will say my face is feeling pretty tight, especially right here and around the mouth, just because it is powder and it's a matte finish. So just doing the update for the foundation, it's been all day. And honestly, the whole face, the entire face looks pretty even. The shininess, the dryness, the blurredness, it all looks really even. I would say the only thing that looks a little bit shiny is tad right here, but I actually really like how it looks just because with this foundation, it is such a matte finish. It's not even a natural matte, it's just a very matte finish as you guys saw. So that's why I was really reiterating, I would really prep extra with this type of a mineral powder foundation. It really looks good. It kind of has sunken into the skin a little bit here and there. It still looks quite blurred around the pores. They look really, really nice. The only problem area, it's not even right here. It doesn't even really look that bad around the mouth. It looks really bad on the forehead when it usually doesn't. I guess it's just because it's so shiny lately, it's hot, and you're just kind of like, I feel, or at least I am, I'm kind of just doing this a lot maybe. And it looks really bad. It looks really heavy and cakey. I probably applied a little bit too much product in this area, but I'm honestly really impressed with the way it's wearing. It's looking pretty good. But yeah, I think definitely check the ingredients. The ingredients are not the best in this foundation, but there's not that many. And you get a massive amount of foundation as well. All right, so let's move on to this next product. This is by Beth Bender Beauty. This is the original eyeliner stencil and smoky eye stencil. This retails for $18 US. So we have two different ones. We have a top liner, a cat eyeliner, then we have a bottom liner, and then a smoky eye. Okay, it's reusable, multifunctional, made in the USA. All right, so let's do the cat eyeliner, because why not? I'm assuming you place it like so, and then you flip it around. Yep, like you literally flip it around. Okay, so I do have a concealer on already, and I'm just going to use like a pencil eyeliner slash eyeshadow stick. So at first I'm gonna use the eyeshadow stick, and then we'll kind of use the eyeliner to kind of blend it in to do like an ombre look. Let's first start off with the right eye. I'm assuming you keep your eyes open for this, right? Oh, you actually close your eyes. Let's go for it. The problem is it kind of just wants to pick up at the top. All right, let's reveal what we've created. Ugh. See, that's the problem. It's very messy because it's not straight on your eye. I guess it's fine because it just draws the shape out for you already, but you do have to kind of clean it up. Ugh. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna take it off. All right, so overall, I think this is a really great idea. The little eyeliner, the smoky eyeshadow stencils. I think they're really good for beginners to really kind of lay this shape out, map it out, and then kind of finesse and clean up afterwards. I like it, but then I don't like it because you really have to hold it straight, and then it kind of picks up, and then it creates those little edges, so it's not perfect. But I do like that it kind of just draws out the outline for you, and then you go in and you kind of fix it, fill it in, do your thing to really perfect it. So I do like the idea of it, but I feel like it could be perfected even more, make it more of like an adhesive. I'm gonna give this a solid B. This next beauty product is definitely very weird. So this is by Delights Nature. This is their weird flavor fun lip balm set. We have 3 fun novelty flavors. First, we have bacon. Next, we have dill pickle right here. And then next we have pizza, pizza pie. So obviously let's start with bacon first. This little set retails for $9.95. We found out on Amazon. Natural enough to eat, but resist the urge for external use only. That's hilarious. Yep, straight up like bacon. But it's not as intense as you think. It kind of smells like maple bacon. It's not bad, but it's kind of weird. So let's apply this. Just like a regular lip balm. Oh, just kidding, it gets stronger. It's like bacon grease now on your lips. Oh, oh no. I like bacon, but not, oh. Okay, this is like making me really sick now. The way it warms up with your lips, oh, it's like straight up bacon grease. Let's taste it. Oh, it's kind of like a popcorn, like buttered popcorn taste. Okay, let's take it off. The lip balm feels really nice though on the lips, very nourishing. All right, next one is dill pickle. And what does this one have for ingredients? Just same thing, beeswax, olive oil, coconut oil, flavor oil, and then salt. All right, this one literally smells like if you ever had the Lay's dill pickle chips. This is what this reminds me of. All of these mixed together, it's not a great flavor. All right, last but not least, pizza pie. Whoa, this one is straight up like a pizza pie, like pizza. I'm smelling, what are they, like the pizza combos, pizza combos. This is what this is. A lot of oregano, definitely thyme, like any kind of Italian seasoning. This is what it is. It's not bad. I feel like this will be a great gift, like a novelty gift for someone, a prank gift. It's just a very weird product that I think it's hilarious. For how weird this is, it's definitely an A because you can smell it, kind of taste it, and now it's just like all wingrain, all those flavors and scents. Oh, that's hilarious. That is funny. All right, guys. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next one very soon. Bye.